So we are actually, talking about installations, and this is another installation we would like to present to you all. This is also recycling waste materials, and as you can see, this is beautifully, done. And here, the artists want to actually showcase how she portrays life. So she has titled it as Twist of Life. This is Fusion of Emotion, and this is Facing Life Together. So I think she is very, very young. She has not even been 18 years. She is below 18 years, and in this age she has actually captured life so beautifully. So I think it's mesmerizing. So may I call Sneha Rath, the name of the artist. Can you please come here and tell your name and where you are from?
Hello everyone, I'm Sneha Rath. I live in Kagdi and this is my artwork. Thank you.
So great Sneha, and keep it up. It's beautiful. I mean, all of it is developed from waste material. And these are, you have collected it from cycle, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, that's beautiful how the old bangles. So actually it is really refreshing, to see that how young generations are coming up to protect the old materials and recycling, because history is has a great value, and history is actually, we need to protect history. So yes, thank you for making this beautiful artwork.